dusty back roads where dreams come to play. RigER keeps on rolling, never hit the brakes. 12 years of striving and climbing up the hill. A better world they're building, strong-willed, ill and real. From the heart of the prairie to the city lights so bright, harnessing technology, bringing change to every life. They've weathered storms and challenges like an oak stand tall, digitalizing the world, answering every call. So raise a glass and let's toast to 12 great years. RigER vision clear, drown out all doubts and fears. For the folks who lead the way, who never cease to try. Here's to 12 years and many more to fly. Every sunrise brings a new chance, another day to win. With RigER at the forefront, the future's settling. From the oilfields to the offices, innovations blaze, transforming every landscape, set the sky ablaze.